Y'all, remember whenever I told you 4 months ago about Robinhood's super secret feature on their options analyzer? Well, it looks like they're finally ready to debut it, and you'll probably see it as a card pop up on your home screen on your Robinhood app. And so it's kind of like how the options simulated returns, that chart, if you've seen that before, but even better, more in depth. So we can click on this and we can see that we have our any kind of options positions, any kind of ticker symbol up here on the top. So these are all my open options. So for example, Amazon, it shows what the current price is, what my total return on this combined stock and options is, shows you the Greeks, and it shows you a profit and loss chart where you can hold your finger down and slide it around. And you can also do a little timeline slider right here. As we get closer to expiration, this is what it looks like. And then it is factoring in the Amazon shares I already own, which is about 2 of them, but maybe you only want to look at options, so you unselect that. And now it looks more like a normal profit and loss chart. And we can see that as we approach expiration, here's the current price. As we approach expiration, we are going to be making money on this position with a max profit of $67. Maybe it slides down expiration. Our max loss would be $433. So it's a really cool way to look at your combined stock positions and combined puts positions or calls, all the stocks, all the options, to see like your overall, how you are doing on this, on any kind of stock or ETF, which is nice because sometimes you might get assigned on a put, for example, and then you're not sure, well, am I actually profiting off of this? Because you receive money to get into the deal, and then they assign you on its options and you're forced to purchase them. And then you're wondering, well, now that I own them, and if the underlying stock rises or falls, what's my position overall? So it's a nice way to combine all of those views together. So if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.